Just making a quick video to kind of explain the troubleshoot process that I went through for some System6 boards. This one's for my firepower. Obviously this one had some acid damage down here around the battery area, so there had to be a lot of neutralizing, and switch had to be replaced, some ICs had to be socketed, and various other things. First thing you want to do is get your, this is an old power supply out of a CD-ROM drive or something. It's got 12 volts, 5 volts, and ground. And that's what you need to do to get the CPU and the driver board to run. So, this one was dead. It didn't do anything. You can see I have one of the ROM ICs out now. If you powered it up, essentially it just those LEDs came on, nothing was working, so who knows what's wrong, right? So I went around the inside, found some helpful information, tried a lot of different things, but the thing that I found that worked the best was what we called Andre's test ROM. It's fairly well documented. It's really for a System 7. But it works great on a System 6 as well. So there's a ROM that you burn. It's called System7 .bin. That's a 2716. I put a 0 insertion 4 socket here, so it makes it a little easier to get ROMs in and out. So if I put that test ROM in there, it doesn't matter what's here or what's here. It's just going to boot up to that. And this little rig here is documented in Andre's write-up. And essentially, when you power that guy up, the LEDs will sequence to a certain amount that's checking each IC one at a time. RAM, ROM, non-volatile memory, and it's checking the PIAs. The one that was clicking there is for a System 7, so you have to really worry about that one. So what I'd recommend is, unlike what I have here, I would separate the driver board and the CPU, just get the CPU up to the point where everything passes except the PIAs. And once you get that going, if you want to hook up the driver board, you can see I have all the fancy Siegecraft parts here, test fixtures. If you hit the test button, it's going to go and sequence through those LEDs one more time. Again, testing ICs, RAM, ROM, non-volatile memory, PIA. The one PIA is not there, so it's going to fail. That's display for System 7. So once it does that, once you get it to that point, that's the point where I would hook up the driver board and start working with that. I'll do another quick video after this for that.